Good afternoon and welcome to Brooks Motor Company. Today's featured vehicle is a 1965 Pontiac LeMans. This car is in great driver quality. It may be one of the nicest cars in the country as far as this type of car goes. 1965 Pontiac LeMans. It's 326 V8, automatic 2-speed power glide, and the car was equipped with factory buckets and a console. 2-door sport hardtop, rally wheels, and it's just as clean as can be. Again, it's driver quality. It's got a couple of blemishes. It's an old car, pretty original, and you can get in it and drive it anywhere right now. We've got it priced at $29,950. Door locks work. As you can see, nice door panels, nice carpets, seats, front and rear, headliner, everything is in beautiful shape. Showing 56,540 miles. Beautiful trunk, original factory sticker, full-size spare, no rust, original trunk pan, everything is original about this car. Let me pop the motor compartment for you. 326 V8, original Pontiac motor, paired with a 2-speed power glide, automatic. You can find this car on my website, www.brooksmotorco.com. We're in Columbia, Illinois, and our phone number is 618-939-9828. Again, that's brooksmotorco.com, 1965 Pontiac LeMans. Get in it and drive it like it is, or clone it, make a GTO out of it.